see here in this problem, here determine the power factor of the entire circuit and calculate the average power delivered by the source. So how can you find it? So here the impedance is given, capacitive impedance is given, that is minus J2, and two resistors, that is 6 ohms and 4 ohms are given. So first of all find the overall impedance. So that is Z is equal to, so these two impedances are in parallel to each other and again with series with 6 ohms, that is equal to 6 plus, so these are in parallel, that is product to each other, that is minus J2 into 4 divided by sum of them, that is minus J2 plus 4. By simplifying this with the help of complex numbers, we will get, that is 6.8 minus J into 1.6. So let us assume that this is X plus I bar format and convert into polar form. So that is R into theta or angle theta. How can you convert? So R means root of X square plus Y square. So angle means tan inverse of Y by X. So by applying this formula, we will get R equal to 7 with angle tan inverse of Y by X means minus 13.24 degrees. Okay. So this is the pure resistance for overall circuit and this is impedance for the overall circuit. Now how to find the power factor? So we know that power factor is equal to cos theta. Here theta means minus 13.24. So that equal to P equal to this power factor PF equal to cos theta. So theta means minus 13.24. So that's equal to 0.9734. So it is positive value. So it is nothing but leading. So it is a leading circuit. Now how to find the average power? So before going to calculate average power, first of all calculate the RMS current value. So RMS current value, that is IRMS equal to VRMS by Z. So VRMS is given as 30 with angle 0 and Z we got 7 with angle minus 13.24. Now substitute here. So then we get here 30 with angle theta divided by 7 with angle minus 13.24. So that equal to 30 by 7. So here theta 1 by theta 2 means theta 1 minus theta 2. That is angle. Okay. So that's equal to 0 minus minus means plus, that is angle of 13.24. So here 0 is there, here minus 13 is there. So 0 minus minus means it becomes plus. So that is okay. So that's equal to 4.286 with angle 13.24. That is nothing but IRMS value. Okay. Now we want the power delivered, average power delivered by the source. So that's equal to, so we can calculate in two waveforms, means that is two ways. That is power equal to VRMS into IRMS into PF. That is one method. Another method is P is equal to IRMS square into R. Now substitute here 30, here IRMS magnitude value is 4.286. So PF we got 0.9734. So by simplifying this we will get 125 watts. So here IRMS we have 4.286 whole square. So here R means in the complex number, that means impedance. So this is the resistance value, pure resistance value for overall circuit, and this is a pure impedance for overall circuit. So it is considered as R. So that's equal to 6.8. So by using calculator we will get 125 watts. So the power, average power divided by source is 125 watts and power factor we got 0.9734. And this is the process for getting the power factor and average power delivered by the source. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.